Back up off me. You're in my yard.
I told you once this is a crime scene. You need to leave.
I run him.
Stay on fire command. Stay on dispatch.
This pose.
Hey, give me that mother.
I gotta crack it first. No.
Are you gonna use it?
Yeah, I'm gonna use
come
it.
in and use it.
I gotta crack it. Do
Use
not
the
touch it. I gotta
motherfucker.
crack it for the pressure.
What are you doing?
Crack the put the fire out. You're faking. You're faking. Yo, dude. I'm gonna put you over. Crack it open. Crack it open.
I was wondering where you were. I should have radioed you. I'm not
Keep an eye on that back there so I'm not to knock him out.
Yeah, he's.
Here comes the police. They're here.
He's already gotten in my face about it. Yeah, he's an asshole.
Okay.
He's already gotten in my face. He tried to grab the hose from me.
You guys are faking. Ain't worth the on the goddamn go.
Why are you so mad?
Gas can lid. Gotta pull on the red. Don't do it. Hey guys, hang up.
What we got?
I apologize. Don't give me that dirty look, son.
I'm just disappointed, Steven.
Yeah, I am too. With all you and the whole family and the whole goddamn town. You
Why?
crooked mother.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
You're not making any sense.
You're trying to save your house.
You're talking to people here that just saved your dad's house.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Shoot.
Do you lie?
Do I lie? When I need to.
Huh?
When I need to.
Are you lying now?
Nope.
Which way do your eyes look at time? Liar. You boys right here, I'm telling you right now, you don't want to with the wrong people.
All right. That's it. We're not going to sit here and we're not going to threaten people. Go ahead.
Huh? You're shaking like a leaf. Back up off me. You're in my yard.
This
I
will
told you
end
once
badly.
this is a
This
crime
will
scene.
end badly.
Huh? You're shaking like a leaf. Back up off me. You're in my yard.
I told you once this is a crime scene. You need to leave.
Oh.
I run him, get me.
That's gonna hurt, dude.
I got it.
You're old, man.
Resist.
It's gonna hurt. Oh, man.
Stand up.
It's gonna hurt, you know? Your bones are not the strong anymore. You're an old man.
Tough my boy. Woo, I love this shit. Ha ha.
Something is wrong with this dude, you know? Something is wrong with him.
Where we going? Oh shit.
Huh?
Oh,
Okay, dude. Okay.
Online?
that's what you get, you know?
Hang up. I'm calling police.
Angry old man.
Put your feet in there. You alright? He get you in the forehead?
He just billed a bill. Headbutted me with his bill on my bill.
Is your body cam on? Someone hit me in the back of the head.
Let us help you real quick.
Wow.
It's so fun.
I apologize. I see where this is going.
It's
Guys,
late.
this
It's
is
too
going.
late to
Can I go
apologize. It's too late to
You're
apologize
under arrest
now.
for agbat to a police officer.
Yes. It's aggravated assault. That's a direct assault, dude.
Can I get you guys
Send him to
names?
jail. Send him to jail.
He'll be in a report.
You got an ID?
Hey, are you wanting them to treat you or no?
No.
You don't want to be treated?
Hell no. I'm having say.
Okay. Hey, we are on an arson right now. Dustin told us this guy, Steve, he is a suspect in the arson. We were sitting here. He came up. He assaulted Dustin, tried to headbutt him with his bill of his cap. He was taken into custody. Us bringing him there. I'm getting ready to take you up to the Marion County Jail. He's calmed down a lot. All right, man. You're gonna go with these guys, okay?
That's what you get. You know, you reap what you sow.
No way.
No, you're going to spend the night at the. Whoa! Look at the picture. Under various legal jurisdictions, such actions constitute serious crimes, including obstruction of justice and assault on a police officer. When a person impedes emergency services, they violate the fundamental social contract that ensures public order and safety. This behavior is not just personal outbursts, it's a direct attack on the rule of law. While the Constitution guarantees rights such as due process and protection against unreasonable search and seizures, but these rights are not absolute and do not provide a license to endanger others or physically attack law enforcement official or officer. The individual's actions attempting to stop a firefighter from extinguishing the blaze and subsequently headbutting an officer clearly demonstrate that he is a danger to himself and to the public. Such volatile conduct undermines the legal system established to protect the common welfare. This behavior demands strict accountability through the justice system to ensure that emergency responders can perform their vital duties without fear or physical threats or interference. His immediate arrest was not only justified but necessary to maintain peace and order. But I want to know your thoughts about this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.